my dear students. Welcome back to mathsy.com. This is your Joycey ma'am. Today, we are going to learn the chapter Triangles. Class 9 Math, NCERT. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Here we go. When two triangles are said to be congruent under these criteria. Criteria 1, SAS, 2, ASA, 3, AAS, 4, SSS, and 5, RHS. When two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles are equal. We say this in terms of corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Now we talk about the triangle which has two sides equal in length. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, we call that triangle as isosceles. Theorem 6.1. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Theorem 6.2. If the base angles are equal in a triangle, then it is isosceles. That's all for now in this video. Until we meet in the next video, take care. Bye-bye.